crikey. Now, it says to get this, doesn't say the quantity, and it actually doesn't say, but the recipe, in the recipe, they get a bit of mixture, I assume, like this, and they add coffee powder to it. So it says 2 tablespoons of Nescafe Gold, 15 grams. So we're gonna do as they say. Whipping the prices to reduce them, I think so. Okay. This isn't Nescafe Gold, this is Moccona. Happy Father's Day! How did the dads, or even if you have kids, how did you spend the Father's Day with your children? With your family? Okay. I'm not disliking that, but it doesn't really taste like orange. It just tastes like coffee. Okay. I feel like to make this orangier, we should have put food coloring. But what they do in the recipe is they do like this. Maybe I think I put too much of the mixture in here. They use less. Okay, you do dollops like this. Yeah, I've used too much mixture. I'm gonna make Spot the cow. You're just remembering it now, Dex? When I first thought, saw it that you redeemed, I was like, oh, coffee chocolate cake, yeah, no. Sorry, chocolate orange cake, heck yeah, I'm so excited. And then I realized it was coffee, and then I was like, can I have a refund? But this was his redemption. Given it was like a few months ago. Oh no, it was a few weeks ago really. I was up to date. I'm trying to get out of the aspic week of aspic. Probably be next week. All right, now what you want to do is grab a spoon, the back of a spoon. Molly feeling, is she